USD prices in commercial banks remain at record highs despite cooling world markets. On the morning of June 2, the central exchange rate between USD and VND announced by the state bank was 24,970 VND, down 8 VND compared to the end of last week. On the contrary, the USD price at commercial banks increased simultaneously, such as Vietcombank increased 10 VND, bringing the transfer buying price to 25,850 VND, selling price to 26,210 VND. BIDV also increased 10 VND when buying transfer price to 25,850 VND and selling price to 26,210 VND. Meanwhile, the free USD price remained unchanged, continuing to buy at 26,280 VND and sell at 26,380 VND. The world USD price decreased slightly. The USD index reached 99.22 points, down 0.22 points compared to yesterday. The greenback traded at a low level as investors weighed the possibilities of trade tariffs, even as President Donald Trump faces court action over this. While the exact level of tariffs on other trading partners remains unknown, markets are hoping the duties will remain in some milder form. One thing the court ruling may have done is limit the amount of shock Trump can inflict on the global economy as well as the U.S., said Steve Englander, global head of G10 Foreign Exchange at Standard Chartered. President Donald Trump's tariff war has cost companies more than $34 billion so far in lost sales and higher costs, according to Reuters. Even this concern made investors less responsive to the U.S. consumer personal expenditure (PCE) data. The report showed that PCE rose 0.1% in April compared to the previous month, matching forecasts. On a 12-month basis, PCE rose 2.1%, lower than February and also lower than the 2.2% forecast by experts. The data appeared in the context of President Donald Trump putting pressure on the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, to lower interest rates. However, Fed officials still said that they should be cautious, waiting to fully assess the long-term impact of tariff policies.